we have some stuff which you can check out today. So first of all, I just threw in the mat for the sake of throwing in the mat because I wanted to have mats in the background. So we have the mowing mat, very nice, very smooth, just a mat. And also, I bought a timer, so I want to be able to use said mat with the timer. So we're going to be doing that. First up, carbon fiber cube. It's not great. It's not great. Obviously, could be better, but it is indeed a cube. So non-magnetic, but I mean, it gets the job done. So it's very slow, a little bit tight. Would have to tension it, but that's not really what it's for. It's just to look nice. So let's check out some patterns. Okay. Never mind. Well, I got this for free at a flea market thing, so I guess it's not a big deal. I had planned on doing some solos with it, but I guess not anymore. We have this match, right? They have 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, a 6x6 which is even. Then they don't have a 7x7. They got a 2x2, cube, square one, megaminx, paraminx, square one twice for some reason. And they got a paramorphics, I think that's what you call that. But where's the 7x7? I don't know. I'll just leave this at the top of the screen for now. Take this away. Don't buy any cheap cubes unless it's from a trusted retailer. Next we have a 5x5, which totally haven't opened before. Just comes in a sample box. More than good. I'm not good at 5x5. I barely know how to solve it. And my turning is very inaccurate, so I can't really blame the cube if there's something wrong with it. But it does feel like a very nice cube. Smooth enough. It is non-magnetic, but it does kind of feel like it locks into place, even though it's non-magnetic, which is kind of interesting. So I don't think it's magnetic, but like, yeah, it locks up a lot. And as a first cube, it's not that bad. It'll get the job done. And obviously, I can checkerboard it too, which looks much better than on 3x3 and 4x4. That's it. Nothing too insanely special. Next up, I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay. Good enough. We have this. I'm probably gonna have to blur that. I'm not sure. I'll see, I guess. This is from CubeCo. This is it is actually reputable. Perfectly. If you like items from them. This is a very big bag for what it is. Oh, that box looks so amazing. 3.134, which I believe is the record right now. Is it? They're very thorough with their packaging, I must admit. We have the Qiyi Smart Timer. I don't know if you shows up actually surprisingly well on camera. It's got like the rainbow thing. That's pretty cool. You connecting with the app. I need to put in batteries, which is not fun. I should have batteries. And ta-da! I've put it the wrong way around. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Anticlimactic. Here it is in all its glory. It is indeed a timer. It's got rubber feet on at least. I can put it on my desk. Shouldn't slide around too much. It's got the clips so I can attach it to my my mats. Oh yeah, and the coolest part is it comes with a phone stand. It looks like it's 3D printed, but it looks really cool. And then I can make my phone up here. Connect with the app, time, solve, and it automatically saves it. And we have a pamphlet. Wow. So I'm gonna figure this out quickly, and yeah, like that wants to be there, and that's there. So it's never gonna work. It's never gonna work perfectly. Maybe I just need a new. Maybe I just need a mini mat. Okay. Direct download. Make my life potentially easier. Okay, so I got it set up now. Looks pretty good. It looks simple enough. Easy. It was easy enough to set up. It took like 2 minutes. So let's do a quick solve. My first time touching a cube today in this video, so I don't think there is WCA inspection or anything, so it's just going ahead, I guess. Okay, I have an idea. As my first thing on camera, damn. I mean, that's a good timer. Does what it should. Awesome.